Hi friends, welcome back to Story Highway. Today I bring you another heart-touching English story. This one is called The Bridge of Kindness. It is about two strangers, a broken bridge, and how one simple act of kindness can change everything. Let's begin. It was a quiet morning in a small town in Colorado where the mountains rose high and the river flowed strong. In this town stood an old wooden bridge that connected two parts of the community. Every day, people crossed it on their way to school, work, or the market. One autumn morning, a young boy named Ethan, just 12 years old, was running late for school. As he reached the bridge, he noticed something unusual. A part of the bridge railing had broken overnight, leaving a dangerous gap. He stopped and looked around, realizing that anyone rushing across could fall into the river below. While Ethan was thinking what to do, an old carpenter named Mr. Miller arrived. He was known in the town as a quiet man who rarely spoke much. Seeing the broken bridge, he frowned and muttered, "This is dangerous. Someone could get hurt." Ethan quickly said, "I can help you, sir." "Let's fix it before people come together." The boy and the old man gathered wooden planks, nails, and tools from Mr. Miller's workshop nearby. Ethan held the wood steady while Mr. Miller hammered the nails. The morning sun grew brighter, and soon people began to gather, watching the two of them work. Some neighbors whispered, "Why are they wasting time? The town council should fix it." Others just shook their heads and walked away. But Ethan and Mr. Miller kept working silently, determined to make the bridge safe again. After 2 long hours, the repair was complete. The bridge looked stronger, and the gap was gone. Ethan's hands were dirty, and Mr. Miller's face was covered in sweat, but both of them smiled proudly. Just then, a woman came running with her little daughter. She said, "Thank you. If you hadn't fixed it, my child could have fallen." Her eyes filled with tears of gratitude. Soon more townsfolk came and praised their efforts. Some even offered to pay, but Mr. Miller shook his head and said, "No reward needed. Kindness is the bridge that holds a community together." That day, Ethan learned something he would never forget, that true heroes are not the ones who seek recognition, but the ones who quietly fix what is broken. The old carpenter and the young boy built more than just a wooden bridge. They built a bridge of kindness that connected hearts. So friends, today we heard the story of the Bridge of Kindness. It teaches us that no act of goodness is ever wasted. Whether big or small, every kind gesture can make the world safer and happier. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Story Highway for more meaningful tales.